Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Howear HW Ultra 3. It's a Call GPS video and sports AMOLED screen device, which is a smartwatch. And it operates with 4G and 5G SIM card. It's 2025 Android smartwatch for man, for woman, and so on. Wow, AMOLED HW Ultra 3. Oh, the call, light, intelligence, and it changed our lives. Because we have a SIM phone card, nano, 4G or 5G possible. GPS precision positioning, 190 degrees rotating camera. 4 times 64 GB and 4-core chip, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. HW Ultra 3 Call. Light intelligence changes this device our way to life. Popular apps. We can feel free to download it out of the App Store. Indoor positioning. Historical trajectory. No prop for that watch. The 2.1 inches large AMOLED screen brings a far superior experience to the previous generation, with smooth operation and comfortable viewing without dazzling. 368 to 448 resolution, 284 ppi ultra clear display with a 2.1 inches screen size, brings us the AMOLED HD screen. Enough to see, enough to use. A new processor. A new 180-degree swivel telescopic camera, where the digital crown is built. You can get this camera out of the position, then rotate it a little bit, and have fun with an HD camera. And a separate SIM card slot on the bottom side. A new process. A popular apps which we can download, a built-in app store, support mainstream app download on the market, WeChat, Douyin, games, wallet payment, etc. It's adapted to most application interfaces, of course. It comes with a separate SIM card slot, so we can make an independent SIM card which we can use. We can use Wi-Fi connection. It supports mobile, telecom, China Unicorn, 4G, 5G calls, no problem. So it's possible to get this worldwide to communicate. We rotate the telescopic camera. 180 degrees flexible rotation for shooting, for video recording experience, the fun of taking pictures, and rotate the front camera, rotate the posterior camera, easy peasy baby. For example, with HD video calls, the high-definition camera is clear enough and gorgeous. The built-in high brush and the pixel chip processing videos and choice for a voice call are more natural. And online payment, independent payment, no problem. We can use WeChat and Alipay to pay. At the end of the night run, we can easily buy a bottle of water and pay without our mobile phone, because we have this phone-like small smartwatch on our wrist. Independent out of the office positioning to know at a glance. The nationwide coverage, high-precision multi-real-time positioning that uses GPS, Baidu, LBS, Wi-Fi to achieve all weather trajectories recording to protect our everyday routine. With wireless magnetic, the watch has a large 720 mAh battery, which comes well with magnetic design. When the power is out, it can be charged at a gentle suck, which is just convenient and fast, fully secured. 2 days normal use, 5 days standby. And Android 8.1 makes it possible to use this kind of a nice smartwatch for a modern view. This and more brings us to Howear HW Ultra 3 Call GPS. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's it.